Navigating through storms. Understanding rough weather ahead. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's commonly used but often misunderstood. Rough weather ahead. This phrase can be a metaphor for life's challenges or literally refer to bad weather conditions. Our goal is to make you comfortable using this phrase in different contexts. So, let's get started. Rough weather ahead is a phrase used to warn about upcoming bad weather conditions. This can include storms, heavy rain, high winds, or any weather situation that might be challenging to navigate through. It's a heads up to prepare for potential difficulties or to change plans to avoid the worst of the weather. Beyond its literal meaning, rough weather ahead is often used metaphorically to talk about difficult times or challenges in one's life or in a particular situation. It signifies that there are going to be obstacles or problems that will need to be faced. Just like with actual weather, the implication is that these difficulties are temporary and can be navigated through with preparation and resilience. 1. Describing actual weather conditions. When planning activities or warning others about the weather, you might say, "Looks like there's rough weather ahead. We might want to reschedule our picnic." 2. Talking about future challenges. In discussing upcoming challenges in life or work, you could say, "With the new project starting next month, we have some rough weather ahead, but I'm confident we'll manage." Listen for context clues to understand whether the phrase is being used literally or figuratively. Practice using the phrase in different scenarios to become comfortable with its nuances. Remember, the essence of the phrase revolves around anticipation and preparation for future difficulties. Thank you for watching. We hope this explanation clarifies the meaning and use of rough weather ahead in both its literal and figurative senses. Whether you're facing actual storms or the storms of life, knowing this phrase can help you express your thoughts and plans more clearly. Stay tuned for more lessons, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Stay safe and prepared, everyone.